Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am very happy to meet all our children. Are you happy now? Now, I will take chemistry. Okay, this is for 6th standard. I will take chemistry. First lesson is Introduction to Chemistry. First lesson is Introduction to Chemistry. In this lesson, you will study the definition of science. Next, you will study the branches of science. Okay, you will know the branches of science. Next, understand the dealing of chemistry. After that, learn the 2 branches of chemistry. Then learn the importance of chemistry in various fields. Then learn about some important chemists and their discoveries. You will learn in this chapter, you will be able to learn this all. First of all, we have to see science. What is science? Already you know what is science. You are studying many lessons in science in the previous class. Now, this introduction to chemistry, this lesson also tells us what is science. Science is that subject. We are studying Tamil subject, English subject, Maths, Physics. These are like that subject. So science is that subject. This includes the practical activity. In this science subject only includes the practical activity. It is not in Tamil, it is not in English. So, first of all, you should know what is science. What is science? We have to use our knowledge and our experience. We have to learn something and we have to create something. Okay, children? Now, science is the subject but includes the practical activity. So, encompassing the systematic study of various experiments. That is, surrounds the systematic study of various experiments, not only one experiment, 2 experiments, many experiments and different experiments. These all experiments have performed by scientists. Not only they are without practical activity. It should be with practical activity. With all observations recorded. Should be recorded and concluded with the inferences. What is inferences? It is with hints, judgment and interpretation. ஒரு தெளிவான விளக்கம். Interpretation. Okay, my dear. Now, we have studied science. Next, we have to study about scientist. The scientist. Do you want to become scientist? Once a time I wanted to become a scientist, but it is not happening. Okay, now if you want to become a scientist, you must become a scientist. You must come to become a scientist. Okay, now the scientist is anyone who engages in the pursuit of scientific knowledge which is concerned with understanding law that make up the physical universe. The practice of science rigorously. What is the Tamil word of rigorously? That is kadumayana. So the practice of science rigorously attends to unbiased observation. What unbiased? That is ஒரு பக்க சார்பு அற்ற unbiased observation and a robust experiment. What is robust? It is very strong and also healthy. It is very strong and also healthy. This one paves path for humankind to intensify research, accumulate your data and put it to use, whereby the humankind benefits from the work to lead a simple life, This one we still now we studied about science, and also we studied about the scientist. Now we have to learn about branches of science. Branches, it has some parts, subparts. So branches is divided into three main branches. Listen, science is divided into branches of science. Now this topic we are studying about branches of science. Science is divided into three main branches. First one is physics, next chemistry and biology. This make the study of each branch simple and more focused. This all make the study of each branch, physics, chemistry and biology. This make the study of each branch simple, very simple. We can study of each branch very simple and also more focused. So next, this is scientist conducting an experiment. How the scientist conducting an experiment. You see here, children, the scientists are conducting an experiment. So all the observations should be recorded and concluded with the references, concluded with the inferences. Now, here difference between physics, chemistry and biology. Difference between physics, chemistry and biology. First of all, we see the physics. The physics originated from Greek word. That name is Susaik. Meaning lectures on nature. Now chemistry. This word comes from alchemy, referring to earlier set of practices that encompassed elements. Chemistry, metallurgy, philosophy, astrology, astronomy and so on. Next, biology. It derived from the Greek words that is bios. What is the meaning of bios? That is life. Locus, that is study of. So we are studying the study of living organism. This one we are studying the living organism. Next, second difference in physics deals with the nature and properties of matter and energy. And the next difference is in biology. What difference is in biology? Deals with the study of living organisms. Botany, zoology. It has two branches. So botany, that is study of plants. Zoology, study of animals. Are you listening, children? You should listen carefully. Now, chemistry. What is chemistry? This lesson is Introduction to Chemistry. Now, what is chemistry? Chemistry is nothing but it is a branch of science. It is a branch of science. Chemistry, it is a branch of science. This one deals with the study of substance. What are the substance? What are the substance? What all includes its substance? What all includes in its substance? What all includes in its substance? That is composition, methods of preparations, reactions. Composition, methods of preparation, next reactions. Now listen, what is chemistry? The chemistry is the branch of science. This chemistry deals with the study of substance. That substance includes its composition, methods of preparation, and also reactions. Two main branches of chemistry. In this chemistry also it has two main branches. One is inorganic chemistry. This branch of chemistry includes study of innumerable elements. That is countless, which make up the periodic table, including metals, metalloids, and non-metals and compounds. Metals, metalloids, non-metals and compounds. So one main branch is inorganic chemistry. So that is inorganic chemistry. It is the branch of science. It includes study of innumerable elements which make up the periodic table, that including metals, metalloids, non-metals and compounds. Second main branch is organic chemistry. This branch of chemistry deals with the study of specific carbon compounds made up of mainly carbon and hydrogen along with some heteroatoms. The homo is different and hetero, that is different. Organic chemistry we have studied. Next, importance of chemistry. What are the importance? What are the importance are there? We are studying one by one. We have to study one by one. Now, in medicine, chemistry is in medicine. How the chemistry is helping is important in medicine. Chemistry has helped man in discovering a large number of chemical compounds. First of all, in medicine, chemistry has helped the man in discovering a large number of chemical compounds. That is, in medicine, chemistry are used for curing various diseases. Chemical compounds, discovering a large number of chemical compounds that is used for curing various diseases. For example, antiseptics. What is that? Antiseptics. Chemical compounds used for washing and curing of cuts and wounds of the body. They help in combating bacterial growth. It prevents the bacterial growth. Suppose you are playing. Sometimes you are playing. When you play, you may fall down or you may slip. Your body gets wounds, or you get you get wounds, or any parts may be cut. In that time we are applying that chemical compounds, that antiseptic lotion. That one helps to avoid or prevents the bacterial growth. For example, tincture of iodine, mercurochrome. These all the chemical compounds, these all the names, the chemical compounds name, you should be studied. It should be studied. It should be memorized. Then only you can learn, and you must know about what are the importance of chemistry in our life and in our everyday life. Second importance in medicine, that antibiotics. First one is antiseptics, second antibiotics. Now you see, chemical compounds obtained from certain microbes. That microbes names are molds, fungi, bacteria. This all, so some chemical compounds we are getting from these all microbes. So inhibit what are the uses? This one prevents the bacterial growth first. After that it destroy them. Destroy them. For example, penicillin, streptomycin, and some more antibiotics and some more chemical compounds. The next, anesthetics. Next one is anesthetics. Chemical compounds which on application make the body or body parts. This one, when we apply this anesthetic chemical compounds, it make the body or body parts insensible for carrying out painless surgical operation. If we are going to hospital, suppose that we are going to meet the surgical operations. In that time, when they cut that body, paining will be there. So when we use this anesthetics, anesthetic compounds, we can come out from paining. So this one carrying out the painless surgical operations. Next, in obtaining various other products, the importance of chemistry in obtaining various other products. What are the various other products? First, chemistry has helped in manufacture and production of various products. First, food material. Refined oils. சுத்திகரிக்கப்பட்ட எண்ணெய். refined, நல்ல சுத்திகரிக்கப்பட்ட எண்ணெய். So refined oils, butter, cheese, etc. They are obtained through chemical reactions. So this all things we get through chemical reactions. So the chemistry are important in our life. This one tells us chemistry are important in our life. Next, building materials, mortar, cement, glass, and some more things. They are various chemical compounds. They are also various chemical compounds. So cement, you have seen cement, glass material also you have seen, mortar also. So both these are various compounds. They made by various chemical compounds. If we, for example, cement, if any constructing work we are using cement, so the buildings are very strong. If you are not using cement, the buildings are not at all strong. So that we are using cement. It is the cement is obtained by various chemical compounds. Cement is obtained by various chemical compounds. Next, household products. Household products. Cooking gas, which that is liquefied LPG. L for liquefied, P for petroleum, G for gas. That is liquefied petroleum gas. Food preservatives, for example, pickle and some food items, packed items, those are preserved by using chemical compounds. Those all involve chemistry. Food preservative. If any preservative foods we can keep more than 10 months or more than 1 year also. So the food preservatives are importance of chemistry. Next, clothing. Natural fabrics such as silk are made, nylon, polyesters are prepared through various polymerization reactions. Nylon, polyester, they prepared through the various polymerization reactions. Through that we are getting nylon, polyesters. So this is a very clothing. We are obtaining clothing. So chemistry has helped in obtaining the clothing products also. Next, everyday products. What are everyday products? Paper, ink, rubber. It can be prepared. So everyday products, we are getting everyday products also. So chemistry has helped in this everyday products. Next, industrial products. Metals and alloys. This find various applications in machines and automobiles. They all involve chemistry. In agriculture. Next, in agriculture. Chemistry has helped to boost agriculture by improving crop yield due to the use of various chemical compounds. In agriculture, we are getting more. In agriculture, we are getting more crop yield. We are getting more crop yield. So by improving crop yield due to the use of various chemical compounds. The olden periods, our peoples are used only natural manure. They used only natural manure. They yield with some benefits. They yield with some profits. So nowadays, chemistry also helped for agriculture people. It is improving crop yield. First, fertilizers. These are added to the soil. When we add fertilizers to the soil, it helps to increase the fertility of the soil. For example, urea, ammonium phosphate, sulfate, potash. So many fertilizers are using in agriculture. Next, herbicides. These chemical compounds are used for killing weeds. Weeds-na kalaigal solluvom. So these chemical compounds are used for killing kalaikolligal, killing weeds. What all grow together with the crops? If we are cultivating any crops, along with that, many weeds are there. So the farmers are feeling very sad. So they wanted to take all the weeds from the crops. So instead of taking all the weeds along with the crops, we can use herbicides. Next, insecticides. These chemical compounds are used for killing insects. பூச்சிக்கொல்லிகள். Insecticides, that is பூச்சிக்கொல்லிகள். The chemical compounds are used for killing insects. This one destroy what are the insects? Destroying crops. So when we use insecticides, we can protect the crops. Next, fungicides. These chemical compounds are used for destroying the fungi, which all destroy the crops. What are the fungi are destroying the crops? These fungicides are used to destroying the fungi. When we apply these fungicides, all the fungi are destroyed. Next, now we will study about the chemist and their contributions. Take page number 8. In this page, you can study the chemist and their contribution. Now you look at this page number 8. 1630, that chemist name is Jan Baptist van Helmont. What is his contribution? Or what is his discovery? He discovered carbon dioxide. On heating charcoal in air. This carbon dioxide, when he discovered, while heating the charcoal in air, the carbon dioxide gas comes out. So that one was discovered by John Baptist van Helmont. You must study the chemist. Which year he discovered, that all you must know well. When you study the chemist name with year, not only this year with the chemist, you have to learn what he discovered. You have to know what he was discovered. It should be whenever I will ask, when you should ready with answer. You should answer to this question. Next, Johann Rudolf Glauber. First, prepared hydrogen chloride gas. From sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid. Next, 1658, Johann Rudolf Glauber first prepared the nitric acid. The same person, 1648, he discovered hydrogen chloride gas. Next, 1658, 10 years back, he again discovered prepared nitric acid from potassium nitrate and concentrated sulfuric acid. The 1716, Johann Kungl, what he was discovered? First prepared the alkaline air, now known as ammonia, during fermentation reaction. During fermentation reactions. 1770, Joseph Priestley first prepared sulfur dioxide gas by action of hot concentrated sulfuric acid on mercury. 1774, Joseph Priestley, the same person, 4 years back, he again discovered oxygen by heating mercury to oxide in a test tube using convex lens focusing sun's rays. Two types of lens, concave and also convex lens. Here he used convex lens focusing sun's rays and discovered oxygen. In 1772, Daniel Rutherford studied the air respired by animals and it's credited with the discovery of nitrogen. Next, 1774, Carl Wilhelm Scheele, he prepared chlorine by heating hydrochloric acid with manganese dioxide. In 1776, Henry Cavendish prepared hydrogen in pure state. In 1777, Antoine Liouville recognized the elementary nature of sulfur. In 1785, Anthony Liouville classified substances into organic and inorganic compounds. In 1869, Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev arranged the elements in increasing order of atomic weights in the form of periodic table. In 1912, Henry Jeffreys Moseley modified Mendeleev's periodic table and arranged elements in increasing order of atomic number in the periodic table. In the periodic, மெண்டலினுடைய தனிம வரிசை அட்டவணை in Tamil word, மெண்டலின் தனிம வரிசை அட்டவணை. Now, children, you take page number 9. In text question, that fill in the blanks, 5 fill in the blanks are there. That is homework. You can do in the book itself. You have to read the lesson and you have to answer to this question. Okay, children? Now, in this page number 9, chemistry in our lives. Chemicals are the building blocks of life. They are present in us, all around us, and in every product, whatever we buy. The chemicals are present in us, and chemicals are all around us. And also, every product, whatever we buy, it may be Colgate, or it may be any names of paste. Many things we are buying from shop, from somewhere. So those all added with the chemicals. The human beings and animals are made of chemicals. Cooking food is all about chemistry. The drugs that prevent and treat illness are made up of chemicals, and even the sun that enables life on earth is made of chemicals. Chemicals are both naturally occurring and human made. Naturally occurring and human made. Next, making an erupting volcano using baking soda and vinegar. This is one activity, chemical volcano. Chemical volcano. It is in activity 1. It is in activity 1. You should. So you here that making an erupting volcano. When we use the baking soda and vinegar, we can get erupting volcano. We can get erupting volcano. Okay, this lesson, okay children, this lesson we studied definition of science and branches of science, understand the dealing of chemistry, learn the 2 branches of chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, then the importance of chemistry in various fields, and also learn about some important chemists and their discoveries. That important chemists and their discoveries you have to read. You have to read and you have to study. You have to study. It helps you when you want to become a scientist, and many one-word questions will come from this chemist and their discoveries. So you must learn this all chemist name and their contribution. Next, today's homework, only 5 fill in the blanks. I am giving only 5 fill in the blanks. Take one note and write this homework. Take one note and write this homework. First question is, you should write neatly. And how to find the answer? You have to read the book. Through the book you can answer. Through the book you should answer to the question. You should answer to the question. First question, the scientist who first prepared hydrogen chloride gas is dash. Write this question fast and write neatly. Don't look here and there. The second question, the word physics originated from Greek word dash. Next, third question, dash has helped in manufacture and production of various products. Dash has helped in manufacture and production of various products. Question number 4. The chemical compounds used for killing insects which destroy crops. That is not groups, crops. CROPS. Fifth question, the chemical compounds used for destroying fungi which also destroy crops. Is dash. Children, I am giving only 5 questions. 5 fill in the blanks only, not question answer. There is no question. I am not giving questions. I am not big questions. Only one word questions. Today I am giving only one word question. Read this how to find the answer. It is in the lesson 1 how to find. When you read the book, you can answer them. Okay, you can answer them. Now, today we finished, we have seen the first lesson, children. So I will stop today's class. We will meet in the next class. We meet in the next class. Okay, children? Okay.